Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a beautiful 55 degrees outside and we're headed up north to go hiking in the mountains.
Nobody ever said 55 is beautiful. Yeah, we're very north of the lake.
Yeah.
Nice. What? I got the corona?
Sounds like it. Cliffs trailhead. That's the one I wanted to try first.
So this is one of the entrances, if we don't die, to this trail that we know is.
Okay.
We think it's called Trail Mountain Road.
No, it's called Trail Mountain Road. We don't know.
Trey.
Yeah, we don't know if that's what the mountain's called or not.
Up here, it gets
super rocky.
like pretty rough.
It says 40 minutes until the AT. We now have 3 strikes. We've tried 3 places to go hiking. All 3 are closed.
So we finally found access to the trail.
March 27th. Forest is temporarily shutting down trailhead facilities.
Further away.
Huh?
You're getting further away.
I had to start my Fitbit. My cheeks are cold.
Oh, come on, son. Come back out. It's so windy.
It's lunchtime.
Yum. Smushed peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
This is just well seasoned. I hate growing up. Probably why I picked it. Them smooth down into the car. Are you trying to break it?
Yeah.
Hold on, there's a dangerous spot.
You want me to carry?
Yeah. I'm gonna fall over. It'll be the first time ever.
Yeah, right.
This is cool.
Ooh, look at that view. Another nice view. Ah!
Oh no! I'll go a little bit.
So quiet. The wind's not blowing right now. Came across a shelter. Water that way. Privy that way. Oh, I found me a pair of sunglasses. Check that out. Oh, okay, so we're in Jarrard Gap to Neels Gap. Somewhere in between there. Let's see where you are here. Where is that at? I think this is the one we're at. We're on Jarrard Gap to Neels Gap.
Jarrard Gap to Neels Gap.
Yeah, Trail Mountain Shelter.
That's where we are.
That's where we be.
Leave no trace, but you look outside and there's trees everywhere. We're headed back to the car. About 1.5 miles away. Sounds horrible, but it's not that bad. Back on the main trail. Whoa! My foot got stuck on a branch, like a branch caught my foot. I almost went flying. Woo. This is a nice overcovered area. We're getting close to the car. If we were continuing on through the Appalachian Trail, then we would connect on over here and then hike on down. See what our stats are for today. Alright, so today we took 1 hour and 34 minutes, went 3.23 miles, did an average, well, I did an average pace of 29 feet per minute. My average heart rate was 119, maximum was 156. I burned 579 calories, so So I'm sure you burned like twice that. We took 7,557 steps and gained an elevation of only 908 feet. Says Malden Circle.
Does that say Hiwassee River? So we're driving through Helen, Georgia, and this place is dead compared to what it should be.
Yeah, the shops are closed though, a lot of them. Yeah, all these stores are closed. Cajun chicken tray with double fries.
Sweet tea.
A sweet tea? That's because we got our milkshakes. Yes. Thank you. That's your one? It's good. It's like cherry coke.
No. That does not taste like cherry coke.
It does. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. Here, the tea. Where's my latte? What?
What'd she say?
I have no clue.
She wants a latte?
No, blah blah. Something, maybe double chocolate or something. I don't know. No problem. Have a good day. Thanks, you too. Well, that kind of worked. Now to the way you eat fast food these days. Find a parking space and eat in your car.
Does this look like double chocolate to you?
In the middle. In the middle it does.
It's barely chocolate.
Oh my gosh. I don't know.
What?
Now we're eating lunch. Dinner.
Our dinner. And this is all we got. So, adios.
See you next time.
What does adios mean? Bye-bye?
Bye.
Sayonara. What does that mean?
Bye.
Isn't it? Is it the same language?
No, I think it's Chinese. I don't know.
Sayonara?
Yeah.
That ain't Chinese.
What language is sayonara?
Sayonara's language is Japanese.
Japanese!
You wasn't even close.
I said Chinese. I still have Asian descent. You thought it was Spanish.
What's, let's see, what else is it? Sayonara, adios,
Ciao.
ciao. That's Italian.
Bye.
Huh?